Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and since I'm here to bring my child back to school, I'm recording about the 10 ways on how you as a parent can prepare your child for school, especially during this COVID-19 era. Yes, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell down below so that every time I post a video, I notify you first. To purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop, and to book a one-on-one, go to noraarake.com/booking. Then you'll talk to your family, marriage and relationships expert. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting school can be a difficult time for children. Every child is hesitant to go back to school. Some children are worried and scared about the COVID-19 pandemic. But here is how you are going to prepare your child for school. First of all, before we even go into the 10 steps, make sure your child has all the necessary things that she needs to protect herself, like her mask and sanitizer. And make sure your child is equipped with the safety guidelines. Wash your hands every now and then. Do not touch your face. Do not touch your eyes, your nose, and your lips. Make sure you tell your child, you talk to them on how to take care of themselves, not to touch any surfaces anyhow in public or at school. Number 1, let your child know the exact schedule of the school. What time school begins and what time school ends. What time a subject begins and what time a subject ends. Where they have to be at what time and where. Look at the school schedule with your child. Explain to them. Let it be very clear, because the children have been home for a long time. They need your guidance as a parent, not just to wait for the teacher's orientation. As a parent, take the mantle. This is your child. Very important, because most schedules have changed now. So let your child know the exact schedule and how it's going to be this time around. Let everything be clear to the child so that they know how to prepare themselves. Number 2, ask your child about his or her feelings, both the excitement and the concerns about starting school. Talk to your child about them, encourage them, and advise them. Number 3, visit the school with your child. Visit the classrooms. Look at how everything has changed with your child. Encourage your child. Talk to your child. Explain to your child why everything is the way it is. And meet the child's new teacher before school starts with your child. This is all going to prepare your child mentally for a changed school, changed everything, changed seating arrangement. Remember, you want your child to pass, and the only way to do that is to prepare your child mentally for the new classrooms and the new school type and the new organization at school. Number 4, point out the positive aspects of starting school. Many students feel bad to leave their sisters and siblings and friends back home and to go back to school. They don't understand why there is a selection of some students staying home and others going back to school. Point out to the child that it will be fun and they will make new friends at school. Number 5, let your child know that they are not alone in this. Let them know the school is doing everything possible to protect them from COVID-19, from any problems. Let them know that their life is safe, that they are in good hands, that everyone, the parents, the teachers, the school organization and administration, and the government are all working together for the betterment of the children at school. So let them not be worried. Number 6, provide your child with what they want. Because the children have taken some long time at home, they have been used to a particular type of lifestyle. So provide them with what they want at school, what they say they need, make sure they don't miss too much of home when they are at school. This will prepare them physically and mentally for what's yet to come, for a successful time at school. Reassure your child that in case of anything, you will be there to help them. You will be at their beck and call, and that you are constantly checking up on them, checking up on the teachers to make sure they are fine and that everything is in God's hands. Number 8, if you have your child's classmates' telephone numbers, try to reach out. Let your child bond with them. Talk to them. Have a friend before they start school. Talk about school. This will prepare your child mentally for school. It will move the child's mental state from home setting to school setting. And that's a good thing to do. It's just like you're taking your child for their first day at school. Number 9, if your child is to commute from home to school, make sure you arrange safe transportation for your child. Make sure if the child is going to be using a bus or a bike, make sure everything is in order. Make sure there is transport. Make sure everything is in order. Make sure transportation is in order. Make sure transportation is safe for your child. Pick and drop. If the child is going to be walking home, talk to the child about the safety guidelines. Remember that children have stayed home for a long time. Maybe they need to be reminded on how to cross the road. Cross the road with your child. This is just to remind the child of the safety guidelines. Number 10, find out about after-school activities that your child can engage in. For example, sports. Find out about what time your child actually leaves school. Is she needed at school or not? And make sure that you relieve your child of the home duties, of the home chores that they have been doing. Reduce them by at least 90%, because this is the time your child has to focus their brain on school, on their work, on their notes. They have a lot to catch up. So as parents, please, let's relieve all the housework from the children and leave them with just a little housework to keep them on course. So don't forget to buy the scholastic materials, school requirements, the books, the pens, and what they need. Don't forget to take your children for a medical checkup, to test. Don't forget to deworm your children. Don't forget to give them the school requirements needed. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've liked it. Give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Bye.